Okay, so what have we been up to? Well, we've added the ability now to right click on the IMGUI viewport window and add the plane object. So how have we done that? So we've had to add functional and string into the Windows Manager H. We've had to set up action callback. We're going to use this action callback for everything. So every object we add to the screen will go through this action callback. We've then implemented it down here, set it to null pointer, and that's pretty much all we've had to do up there. And then down here we've added no, those were added last time. So that then goes through to in here we had to add the right click. So in the right click section now we call this maction callback add tile, which basically when we click it will add the plane object to the screen, just the same as it was before. There's not been any change to that. In the entity, in the app H, we've had to add the set action callback. So that goes to this here. This fires the from the right click, so this then brings it into here, sets the add plane, which is set at 0, 0, 0. I'm going to change that because it doesn't need to be a vec3, it can be a vec2, so that can be altered. We then come through to the add plane, which is this one here. This literally just runs through here and sets up the object with its name, its index, and then we push this information back into the entities. That then goes to got to think here a minute, because there's one more part to it, which is the I've lost me way there a bit. There's one more part to it, which is this one here, which is the draw the game object, which basically just draws the plane again. So that's in here, and this simply creates the plane object, which is at the, actually I believe it's at the bottom here, so it's not that, because that's the setup mesh one. No, it's not in that one, it's in good when you don't know where stuff is, isn't it? You're supposed to know what you're doing with it. Let's click on that, because that should take us, that's in entity H, and that literally just draws the plane object, which is how we'll draw sprites and the different layers, and that gives us, well actually it gives us a lot more than what we can see on screen, because on here all we do is we literally click the tile and it puts the picture back in. I've also just started to set up the scene collection there, so as we'll be able to select, because eventually what I'm hoping to do next is draw a grid on this screen, and then it'll allow us to click in a tile space and this will appear in that tile space, so as we can make like a tile map. That's my eventual plan. Be well down the road, I suspect, but anyhow, that's what I've been working on. The code's up on GitHub if anybody wants to take a look at it. Thanks for watching if you did.